Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the journey of quest where we quench your thirst of knowledge. Earth's hidden treasures, a world of riches below. Our planet holds unimaginable riches, hidden beneath its surface, waiting to be discovered. Deep beneath our feet lies a treasure trove of valuable resources, from precious metals to rare minerals. These resources have captivated humans for centuries, driving exploration and innovation. Gold, diamonds, oil. These are just a few examples of the wealth hidden within Earth, each with its own unique story. These treasures offer not just monetary value, but also a glimpse into the planet's fascinating geological processes, revealing the dynamic nature of our world. From the gold that adorned ancient kings to the oil that fuels modern society, these resources have shaped civilizations and driven progress. They have sparked wars, fueled economies, and inspired innovation, leaving an indelible mark on human history. Understanding how these resources form and are discovered can be the first step on an exciting journey of exploration and discovery. It's a journey into the heart of our planet and the potential riches it holds, promising adventure and knowledge. The Earth's crust is like a giant puzzle, with pieces that constantly move and change. It's made up of tectonic plates that constantly shift and collide, creating new opportunities for resource formation. This movement creates intense pressure and heat, leading to the formation of valuable resources, often in unexpected places. Over millions of years, these resources accumulate, hidden beneath layers of rock and sediment, waiting to be unearthed. Discovering these hidden treasures is a challenging but rewarding endeavor, requiring skill, patience, and determination. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of wealth and knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and power for millennia. Its warm glow and resistance to corrosion make it a highly prized metal. But have you ever wondered where gold comes from? Deep within Earth's crust, under immense heat and pressure, gold forms. It often originates near hydrothermal vents, where hot water carrying dissolved minerals flows through cracks in the Earth's crust. As this hot water cools, gold precipitates out, forming veins or deposits. Over time, geological processes can bring these deposits closer to the surface, making them accessible to humans. Gold's journey from the depths of our planet to a piece of jewelry or a bar in a vault is a testament to the incredible forces at work within Earth. Diamonds, the hardest natural substance known, also originate deep within Earth. These sparkling gems are formed from carbon, the same element found in coal and graphite, but unlike their softer counterparts, diamonds require extreme pressure and heat to form. This intense environment exists hundreds of kilometers below the surface in Earth's mantle. Over millions, even billions of years, carbon atoms bond under this immense pressure, crystallizing into the tightly packed structure of a diamond. Volcanic eruptions then carry these diamonds to the surface, often embedded in a type of rock called kimberlite. The journey of a diamond, from the fiery depths of Earth to a sparkling gem, is a captivating tale of transformation under extreme conditions. Unlike gold and diamonds, which are solid minerals, oil is a liquid fossil fuel. It forms from the remains of ancient marine organisms, primarily plankton and algae, that died and sank to the ocean floor millions of years ago. Over time, layers of sediment buried these remains. The heat and pressure from these layers, combined with the absence of oxygen, transformed the organic matter into hydrocarbons, the building blocks of oil and natural gas. These hydrocarbons then migrated through porous rocks until they encountered impermeable layers, forming oil and gas reservoirs. Today, we extract this black gold from these reservoirs to fuel our cars, power our homes, and produce a wide range of products, from plastics to fertilizers. Section 5. Discovering the depths, finding fortune underground. Finding these hidden treasures is no easy feat. It requires a combination of scientific knowledge, advanced technology, and, well, a bit of luck. Geologists play a crucial role in this process, studying rock formations, analyzing mineral samples, and using sophisticated equipment to locate potential resource deposits. Seismic surveys, which involve creating shock waves to map underground structures, are commonly used to search for oil and gas reserves. For minerals like gold and diamonds, exploration methods include drilling, trenching, and geophysical surveys that measure magnetic, electrical, and radioactive properties of rocks. Discovering these resources is just the first step. The next challenge lies in extracting them safely and sustainably. Section 6. Extracting wealth from Earth to our hands. Extracting resources from the Earth is a complex and often expensive endeavour, requiring advanced technology and skilled labour. The methods used depend on the type of resource, its depth, and the surrounding environment, which can vary greatly from one location to another. Mining is the most common method for extracting solid minerals like gold, diamonds, and coal, each with its own set of challenges and techniques. This can involve open-pit mining, where large holes are dug to access the ore, or underground mining, which involves tunneling deep into the earth, sometimes miles below the surface. Oil and gas extraction typically involves drilling wells into underground reservoirs, a process that can be both time-consuming and costly. Once extracted, these resources are often transported long distances for processing and refining before they are ready for use, involving a complex logistics network. The entire process from exploration to extraction requires significant investment and careful planning to ensure both profitability and environmental responsibility, balancing economic gains with sustainable practices. Section 7. Striking it rich, tales of treasure and triumph. History is replete with stories of individuals and companies that have struck it rich by discovering and extracting Earth's hidden treasures, often changing the course of industries and economies. One such story is that of Cecil Rhodes, a British businessman who made a fortune in diamond mining in South Africa in the late 19th century, transforming the landscape of the diamond industry. His company, De Beers, came to control a significant portion of the world's diamond trade, establishing a near monopoly that influenced global markets. Another example is John D. Rockefeller, who founded Standard Oil in the late 19th century, pioneering new methods of oil extraction and refining. His company revolutionized the oil industry and made him one of the wealthiest men in history, setting standards for future oil magnates. These stories, while inspiring, also highlight the importance of ethical business practices and responsible resource management to ensure the long-term sustainability of these industries, reminding us that with great wealth comes great responsibility. Section 8. The future of fortune, untapped potential below. As technology advances and our understanding of Earth's geology grows, we continue to uncover new resource deposits and develop innovative extraction methods. The deep ocean floor, for example, is believed to hold vast reserves of minerals and metals, including manganese nodules, cobalt-rich crusts, and massive sulfide deposits. However, accessing these resources poses significant technical and environmental challenges. As we venture further into uncharted territory, it is crucial to prioritize sustainable practices to minimize our impact on the planet. Section 9. Unearthing your dreams. The adventure awaits. The pursuit of Earth's hidden treasures is not just about financial gain. It's about exploration, discovery, and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about understanding the forces that shaped our planet and harnessing its resources to meet the needs of humanity. Whether you dream of becoming a geologist, an engineer, or an entrepreneur in the resource sector, remember that the Earth holds endless possibilities for those who dare to explore its depths. So, embrace your curiosity, delve into the fascinating world of geology and resource extraction, and who knows, you might just unearth your own fortune and contribute to a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching us share our videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and stay curious for new uploads.